Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 144 divide 12 multiply in the parenthesis 9 minus 6. Okay. So please solve this question and comment your answer. Okay. What you get. And if your answer is 100% correct, then I will like your comment. Okay. So please stop this video here and first solve this answer and then play this video and check your answer. Okay. With the solution. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So according to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis. So first we have to solve this parenthesis, okay? So is equal to 144 divide 12 multiply. Now 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Is equal to, here is division and here is multiplication. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. So is equal to 144 divide 12 is equal to 12 multiply 3. Okay. So now 12 multiply 3 is equal to 36. Okay. So the correct answer is 36. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. And if you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. Okay.